In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut template not showing. If your templates aren't appearing, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get them back using the official desktop app, the web version, and a quick region workaround. Start by opening your internet browser. In the address bar, type CapCut and press enter. Click the official result at capcut.com. Using the official site matters because it ensures you're getting the latest safe version. On the home page, select the Download for Free button. Once the download begins, open your Downloads folder and run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install it on your computer. Depending on your system, you may be asked for permission. Go ahead and allow it so the installation can complete. When that's done, open the CapCut desktop app and check whether the templates section appears. Give the app a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is slow since templates are fetched online. If you can see templates now, you're good to go. If templates are still missing, head back to the CapCut website. In the top right corner, click Try CapCut Online. This opens the web-based editor, which often has the most up-to-date features. Sign in with your CapCut account to make sure your assets and access line up. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side and check if templates are visible there. In some regions and at certain times, templates may not appear in the desktop version, but will show up in the browser version. So this step is a great way to confirm your access. If you see them online, you can pick from the list and start creating right away. If you still don't see templates, it's likely related to your country or region. In that case, try connecting to a VPN. Choose a location where CapCut templates are commonly available, then relaunch CapCut and check again. Closing and reopening after connecting helps refresh your access with the new region. This quick switch often resolves region-related content restrictions and makes the templates appear. And that's it. By installing the latest desktop version, checking the web editor, and using a VPN if necessary, you'll usually restore access to CapCut templates. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.